Let's install a security camera system. Now, if you're serious about home security, you'll get a licensed security installer to help you. This is how the process works. The first step is to plan where to place cameras. Key focus areas will be entry points, driveways, and areas needing extra security. It's important to choose the right equipment. Options include wide, wireless, indoor or outdoor cameras, whatever suits your space best. Today, we'll be installing wireless outdoor cameras. Now it's time to mount the cameras. The best positions are high enough to avoid tampering, but where they will still have a clear view. Next, it's time to connect the system. If wired, the cables will be run neatly. For wireless, your Wi-Fi network will be used to sync the cameras. From here, we're going to test and adjust. Checking the footage helps us tweak angles and adjust settings to capture exactly what you need. And that's it. Remember, when it comes to installing security cameras, it's always best to hire a licensed professional.